Managing staff in Shopify can get complicated, especially when you need to track shifts, payroll, and POS access. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add both Shopify and non-Shopify staff using Zon Staff. First, open the Zon Staff app and go to the Staff section. Then, click on Add Staff to create a new team member. Next, enter the staff member's basic details, like name, email, and position. Assign a unique PIN code to staff. The PIN code allows staff to securely clock in and access the POS without sharing passwords. You can also assign the staff member to a specific store location so their shifts and activities are tracked correctly. In the payroll section, you can define salary details like hourly rate or fixed pay for accurate payroll tracking. You can also select the payment method to manage how staff payments are recorded. Make sure to save all the data. And that's it! Your staff member is now added and ready to start their shift.